ZAPTEST is proud to introduce a new format for saving test project files. This format enhances version control capabilities and improves team collaboration on test development. The format enables seamless integration with a version control or a source control system like GitHub or any other. A ZAPTEST project can now be saved within the repository using ZAP extended ZAPX type. This option switches from an archive format to a folder structure, which makes all test artifacts easily accessible by a version control system. If users make updates in a test script, test data, or test objects, they can commit their changes and make the updated version of the test available to all other team members. The version control system keeps track of all revisions of the test, by whom and when they were made, and offers an easy way to restore a previous version if needed. For more information, please visit our website at www.zaptest.com.